Hello everyone, I'm from Reality5 and today I will let you know how to install Unity. Go to your browser, type in unity3d.com. Click on Get Unity. Scroll down and here you will see already own a Unity. If you already have Unity, you can just download the latest version from here, and if you want to download the Unity, and so you can just see under resources older version of Unity. And here you can see all the versions from latest to the older version. So you can just choose your preferred version from here, the list. So I'm choosing the latest version, and you can click on download for the Windows or download for the Mac. So I'm installing in Mac, so I'll choose download Mac. And here you have to click on the very first option, which is a Unity installer. Click on it. And the process will get started. Once you will see that it is finished, double click on it. And again, double click on Unity Download Assistant. Now there will be a pop-up. Open it. And here you will see the introduction. Just click continue. Again, continue. Agree. Now here they give you a bunch of options, what you want to install or what you want to not. So if you want to do the programming in Visual Studio, you can just click on it. And if you want to make AR projects, you can choose Euphoria Augmented Reality because now it is inbuilt. Else you can just remove it. And documentation, if you want to download it offline, you can do it. Otherwise, you can uncheck it. And you can just choose the platform you will work, like Android, iOS, tvOS, Linux, and Mac, and etc. And then click on continue. Again, continue. You have to do this agree. Here you have to type in your password, which you use to open your PC or the Mac. After typing in the password, you will be redirected to the destination, like where you want to install it, and your process will get started. Then download and installation process will start. After every step, you have to press this continue. And after that, after it reaches to the installation part, you don't have to worry about it because it will automatically install all the selected library. Thank you.